Hey everyone, it's Sam here. So today I'm going to show you how to extend the Showstoppers 2. This is the double interlocking concertina die set. I don't know why I put that there as the title because I can never say it properly. But we're going to use this one today. So check out the playlist because you'll see other ones in there as well. Just different ways to use this. But today we're going to double this one up. So you want to cut all of the pieces. And you want to cut your main die twice. So you'll have a die that will cut this here for you. Okay, one of them you're going to keep as it is. The other one, you want to snip this portion away. So if I lay this over the top, I thought it was easier then for you to see exactly what it is that I've snipped away. So it's just that middle square. Okay, you just want to cut that one away. And then what's going to happen is, get this all right, let's do the folds first. So you want to fold it, starting from your large area side here. All these three need to be mounting folds. Okay, then you'll have a valley fold on this small portion, and then they will be opposite to each other as you go down. So then if these are mountains here, the next ones will be valleys, but as that one was a valley, this one here would be a mountain. Okay, so just follow. If you start from the top, do a mountain, valley, and a mountain. Then in the middle, you know that that's a valley, so that will be a mountain and then a valley, and then finish with a mountain. And this one here again, mountain, valley, mountain. So if you work each one separately, it's a bit easier to digest than me, probably explaining it how I was going to. But hopefully that visual as well, you can see how that works. And this all folds down. And I've already got a tutorial showing you this card style here. You can add another panel onto this one. You can fold these in half as well. So again, there's about 3 or 4 tutorials that will be going up, just showing you how to use this one in different ways. So now we've got that one folded. You'll fold this one the same way, but you would have removed that middle bit. And then you're going to sit. So these will be like so. So folded exactly the same way, but it's going to sit over. And then we're just going to stick those all on like so. So I'm going to add my glue to this middle left side. Don't stick it on the right because that will just stay as it is. And then on this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then just sit that all over the top. So you want to make sure that you have 4 squares in each section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just flip it over. Actually, you will want to cut into this because otherwise it won't fold down. So you're just going to snip down from the back. So you're actually freeing them up, but they will attach themselves again. Sorry, I left that bit out. You do need to cut it away. Because I create these cards with all these different ways to use them. And yeah, sometimes I get them confused. But you'll have that little flap there. To be honest, I'm not going to cut that off. I'm just going to add the glue to there and just stick that down. Okay, so now we've got this long card. You then want to cut your mats and layers for each side, as I've shown there already. So I'm going to stick that one down, and then I've also cut all of the mats and layers for the inside. So you'll see on here, you've got all of these here. You just want to cut them however many times you want. Now this is going to be a good luck card. So I've already used my chunky alphabet dies here to spell out good luck. So G. So I've just pulled that out a bit more. It's a bit easier then for you to stick everything down. So good. Oh, I did have it all laid out. And then luck. You could have someone's name in here. There we go. Good luck. And then I've got the others there just blank along the bottom. Like so. So I'm going to get all of that stuck down, plus the little ones to go in there as well. Okay, so you can see how that all looks now. It looks really effective. And then to fold this one down, to be honest, there's quite a few ways, but I like to do it so that it all just concertina folds down and then like so. So that will become the front of the card. Obviously, because I've put letters on this one, you do see them a bit. And then when it opens up, you'll see you get that really cool effect. You could also have it that way. So it will open that way as well. You know, if you want it to open from the left or the right. You could also have decoration covering that. So, but for this one, because of how I've already decorated it, I mean, I could still have it that way, I guess, and it opens. But anyway, you get the idea. Loads of scope with this one. So I think I'm going to have Dream Big and Go For It, which is one of the sentiments. So that will be on the front. And then here I'm going to have the floral detail. So here are the flowers that I've already cut. So in your Build 'em Up set, this one here. So really, really lovely set. It works just as it is with the stamps and dies. Create lovely stamped, detailed, embossed, whatever, flowers and leaves. Or if you've got the coordinating embossing folders, which again work as standalone, they just make nice backgrounds as they are. But these will emboss this wonderful detail. Look, you can see the leaves. Look how cool they are. I'm so happy with how this turned out. And then you've got the polka dots there. This one's really cool. Look at the detail on that one. So I'll just show you because I've left a few free or blank ones. So if you take your embossing folder, like so, and then find the one that you've cut. So for me, this one is going to be down here, and just sit that in the folder like so, then close it up. You'll see it will fit perfectly in there. Run that through, and I'm going to do the same with this one. So you can pop a few in at the same time. I'm just going to lift that back up again. I want to make sure I get them right in the center, like so. I think that was it. Or have I got, oh no, I've got that one as well. There we go, we can do all three. And just carefully, if you've got a few in there, just, there we go. Now I'm going to run that through. And now they will all pop out. Look at that one. Look, they're just, oh, I'm in love, guys. Honestly, I don't think you'll be disappointed. This is such a lovely effect. And then I'm going to do the same with the leaves. So I left this one here, which, well, can go in the leaves. You get a lot more on there because obviously they're smaller. So you can see that could fit in there to get that design. So you could have that one in there, but also there. So I think I'm going to do that one. But I think I also did it with the polka dots. Actually, yeah, no, I'll stick with the polka dots for this one. So they're all the same. So the polka dot one's up there. And then you get this one, which I've done with the vine detail, but you've got the polka dot there. Where's the vine? Oh, there it is, down the bottom. So again, put quite a few in here. I think it's that way. There we go. Carefully place that down. You can see them better there, all the different designs. So I'm just going to run that through. And you can add your inks to them. Oh, that one's shifted. But I have got more anyway. Yeah, it's shifted. I mean, to be honest, it could still work anyway. But at least you can see how they work. So I'm just going to do this one more because I've just realised I haven't done that one. And I've also got, so if you've got the bigger one, so that one is going just there. But then this one, so although it's a thinner one, it does go, the smaller ones will sit in the same design and you'll just get partial embossed through. There we go. And the nice thing about these is you've got all that dimension, but you can still keep them flat. So if you're posting your cards, that's still going to go through the mail, but look at all the dimension that you've got. And like I said, add your inks. I'm going to cut a lot of these in white, I think, and maybe do a separate tutorial on like adding different, you know, ink colours to them. But, you know, layer up different designs. There's no reason why that couldn't go on there. And then you've got the centres for them as well. You could have, you know, this one, mix them up. You could have all those three together. Just play around with them. I am going to now add a little bit more shape to these. This is obviously a sample card, and I've got box envelopes and things like that as well. But just wanted to spend a minute just to talk you through that in a little bit more detail. And then you just stick them together. Look at that lovely flower you get, and then you start adding in your detailed leaves behind and stuff. So I'm going to create a nice little arrangement there, or I might, no, it's going to look a bit too much. I think we'll stick with it over this side. Yeah, anyway, I'll get it all done and then I'll show you it when it's finished. So here's the finished card. You can see all those lovely florals together now, and I've added the silver centres of them as well. And then you've got all your detail in the middle, and then the front of the card there. And like I said, that all just folds back down like so, or you could have it from the front, but you just have to then think about what you're going to decorate there, or you can put the other panels on it. Like I said, you can score through the middle and fold those in half. There's many ways to use this one, so you might want it to open and obviously come out that way. But yeah, lots of ways to use this one. So I hope this is just more inspiration for those of you that have the set. All of the product that I've used today you can find here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you've enjoyed what I've shown you today, click on my face, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. And I will have a playlist up here with all of the Showstopper cards in, so you can get more inspiration. See you all again soon. Bye.